Congratulations on this life-changing moment. Receiving a positive pregnancy test is the beginning of a miraculous journey. It may bring joy, excitement, anticipation, and even uncertainty or nervousness. Today, we are going to guide you through a gentle healing meditation to help you connect with your body, nurture your baby, and cultivate a deep sense of calm, love, and reassurance. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes softly, rest your hands on your belly, and allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. This is your time to honor yourself, your baby, and the incredible journey that is beginning. Settling into comfort and awareness, begin by noticing your body and how it feels in this moment. Whether you are lying down, reclining, or sitting comfortably, feel the support beneath you. Let your hands rest gently on your belly, feeling the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Close your eyes softly and allow your body to release any tension it is holding. Imagine a warm, protective light surrounding your body like a soft cocoon. This light is nurturing, comforting, and safe. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest and belly expand, and exhale slowly, releasing tension and stress. With each inhale, invite calm, comfort, and healing into your body. With each exhale, let go of fear, doubt, or worry. Allow your body to soften, your shoulders to relax, and your mind to settle into a state of peace. Deep healing breath. Bring your attention fully to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts, feeling your belly rise as it fills with air. Exhale gently through your mouth for 6 counts, letting any tension, anxiety, or heaviness flow out. Let each exhale be longer than the inhale, signaling your body to relax deeply. With every inhale, breathe in warmth, love, and healing energy. With every exhale, release discomfort, nervousness, or fear. Imagine each breath carrying soothing energy directly to your womb, enveloping your baby in a cocoon of calm, safety, and love. Let your breathing become smooth, steady, and rhythmic, anchoring you in this present moment. Full body awareness and relaxation. Now, slowly scan your body from the top of your head to your toes. Notice areas of tension, tightness, or discomfort. Perhaps your forehead feels tense, your jaw clenched, your shoulders heavy, or your stomach slightly unsettled. Simply observe without judgment. Imagine a soft, healing light gently moving through these areas, releasing tension, softening muscles, and calming your body. Let your hands on your belly act as a reminder of connection and care. With each breath, allow comfort, ease, and relaxation to spread through every part of your body. Feel your body softening, becoming lighter, and opening to the nurturing energy around you. Flowing water visualization. Picture a warm, gentle stream of water flowing through your body. Starting at the top of your head, feel it moving slowly down to your toes. This water is soft, healing, and soothing. As it passes through your belly, imagine it dissolving tension, stress, or worry, leaving a sense of lightness, peace, and comfort. Let this water circulate through every organ, muscle, and cell, carrying relaxation and calm to every part of your being. Allow yourself to float in this gentle current, feeling supported, safe, and nurtured. Imagine the water washing away any lingering fear, anxiety, or uncertainty, replacing it with calm and reassurance. Healing light and color visualization. Now, imagine a soft golden light surrounding your womb and belly. This light is warm, protective, and healing. See it slowly expand to fill your entire body, carrying calm, comfort, and reassurance. Blend in a soft green light, gentle and restorative, moving through your body and soothing every part of you. Allow these lights to wrap around you like a gentle, protective cocoon. With every inhale, feel warmth and healing energy entering your body. With every exhale, release fear, stress, or any discomfort. Let the lights grow brighter, the warmth deeper, and your sense of calm stronger with every passing moment. Emotional healing and release. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow any emotions to rise naturally. Perhaps there is excitement, nervousness, anticipation, or even worry. Acknowledge each feeling without judgment, knowing they are all a normal part of this journey. Imagine these emotions rising and dissolving into the golden and green light surrounding you. With each exhale, release tension, fear, or doubt. With each inhale, welcome love, acceptance, and peace. Feel your body, mind, and heart opening to this healing energy, creating a safe and calm space for both you and your baby. Gentle body awareness and connection bring your awareness to your belly and the subtle sensations within it. Feel the life growing inside you, the gentle presence of your baby. Rest your hands lightly on your womb, imagining sending warmth, love, and calm to your child with every inhale and exhale. Sense the connection deepening, strengthening the bond between you and your baby. Allow this connection to fill you with comfort, reassurance, and a profound sense of peace. Mindful visualization of your journey. Visualize yourself walking along a gentle path in a peaceful, safe environment. Perhaps it is a sunlit meadow, a quiet forest, or a calm beach. Feel the warmth, the gentle breeze, and the serenity around you. With every step, imagine confidence, trust, and joy growing within you. Picture your baby thriving, safe, and enveloped in calm, nurturing energy. Let this visualization remind you that you are exactly where you need to be and that your body and mind are fully capable of supporting this new life. Affirmations for healing, love, and reassurance. Silently or aloud, repeat gentle affirmations, letting them resonate deeply within you. Say to yourself, "My body is strong, capable, and nurturing. My baby is safe and loved. I release fear and welcome peace. I am connected, supported, and ready for this journey. Every breath I take fills us both with calm and love." Allow these words to wash over you, filling your body, mind, and heart with comfort, reassurance, and trust. Deep connection with your baby. Bring your full attention to your baby again. Imagine them bathed in soft, protective light, resting safely within you. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, the gentle rise and fall of your belly, and the harmony between you and your child. With each breath, send love, warmth, and calm to your baby. Imagine your baby responding with a sense of safety and serenity. Allow gratitude to fill your heart for this miraculous journey, and feel the unique, growing bond strengthening with every moment. Gratitude and inner peace. Take a few moments to offer gratitude to your body for its strength, patience, and nurturing ability. Appreciate the life growing within you, your journey, and yourself. Visualize a soft, protective glow surrounding you and your baby, keeping you safe, calm, and supported. Let this calm energy settle deeply within your body, carrying comfort, reassurance, and serenity long after this meditation ends. Feel your muscles relaxing, your mind settling, and your heart filling with peace. Slowly returning to awareness. When you are ready, begin to bring awareness back to your surrounding. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch gently, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm, connection, and comfort with you throughout your day. Remember, you can return to this meditation anytime you wish, to nurture yourself, soothe your body, and strengthen your bond with your baby. Your breath, visualization, and loving connection are always available to bring relief, comfort, and peace. Thank you for dedicating this time to yourself and your baby. This healing meditation is here to help you feel calm, supported, and connected during this beautiful and transformative journey. If this meditation brought you peace and comfort, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share your experience or favorite meditation practices in the comments below. Your presence matters, and we love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and may your day be filled with serenity, healing, and gentle energy.